So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make use of cornstarch with honey, mixing together with other ingredients to achieve a younger skin. You want to have a tighter skin, you want to get rid of loose skin, you want to look younger no matter your age. Continue watching. So this video is not only for those that are younger, or for me, this is not only for me, okay? No matter your age, it will reverse your age. So I'm going to be showing you some ingredients you can find right in the kitchen. If you don't have it, just go to the store and get them. Keep it very well. Use it anytime it's needed to take care of your skin. This is like a foundation, like before other skincare products can work into your skin. So you just have to continue watching. In case you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Consider subscribing, like this video, and also share this video. Let's go. So I made use of some powerful ingredients that has anti-aging properties that will help greatly to make sure you are looking younger. This is cornstarch. Cornstarch helps to delay signs of aging. It contains antioxidants, very good flour, or you can call it a starch, that helps to firm saggy skin. If you apply it on your skin, it helps to keep you more youthful. Thanks to the anti-aging properties it contains, that helps greatly to keep your skin looking flawless, smooth, and younger. So with consistency, you will see this treatment working perfectly with no side effect because they are natural, of course. So another thing I love about cornstarch or corn flour is because if you have oily skin, it will help to minimize and get rid of excessive oil from your skin, making sure your skin is looking flawless, smooth, and beautiful. So another ingredient you should think of when it comes to looking younger is sugar, white or brown sugar. And that is because sugar helps to keep your skin hydrated. Yes, it glows the skin. It exfoliates your skin to get rid of dead skin cells. And the result will give you a clearer, beautiful skin that glows. You will love it. So if you have a dry, flaky skin, you have a dull skin, think of sugar because it will go a long way to revive your skin, to clear your skin, to make it look beautiful, even with no makeup. Yes. So another thing is honey. I made use of honey. I'll continue making use of honey, and that is because of the benefits. It's not only for the health benefits, it's also for the skin benefits. Honey glows the skin. Honey moisturizes the skin. It's a very powerful humectant that helps greatly to ensure your skin is looking supple, beautiful, flawless, always. So if you want to look younger, think of these ingredients and you never regret it. So the next one, which is the last one, is aloe vera gel. Either you get the plant aloe vera gel or you get the one sold in the store. Make sure it's 100% aloe vera. Like this particular one is 99% aloe vera. It works. Like, I love it. So get anyone that you feel is good. Okay, aloe vera helps to hydrate the skin, moisturizes the skin, tighten the skin, like firming it and make it look younger. Also, it helps to soothe irritated skin. It helps to treat sunburn, but not alone. You have to add something with it to treat sunburn, of course. So we're using it in this treatment to make you look younger no matter your age. Whether you're 80, 90, 70, you will surely notice a great improvement if you are consistent. Consistency is the key, especially when you're making use of natural things like this. You don't expect it to work overnight. When you have deep wrinkle, you have to work for it. Of course, this is not surgery. This is natural, so you have to be consistent. You see that wrinkle minimizing, clearing out, smoothing your skin, and you see your skin looking more youthful, more firmer, and younger. If you have light wrinkles, you will notice a quick result than those that have deep wrinkles. So there are different types of wrinkles. There are some that have dry skin. You may mistake it as wrinkles, and that is because when you have dry skin, you will notice some lines, some folds. You know, it looks so dry and not attractive. So in that way, you need to moisturize your skin very well. You can use this treatment because this treatment is very hydrating and well moisturizing. So either you use this treatment or you get a very good skincare product that is very moisturizing with no chemicals, with no side effects. Use it to be moisturizing your hand, your feet, or anywhere you have those dryness. But this particular one is like a foundation. After using this, before you apply that good skincare product, so that your skin will look so good and younger. I have a very good skincare product. I'm going to be displaying it for you. Very good for you if you want to look younger. All right, so after getting these ingredients, this is how to measure it rightly. You have to add 1 or 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. This particular one, I added only 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Then I added 1 tablespoon of sugar. Then I squeeze in 1 tablespoon of my aloe vera gel. Then I added half tablespoon of honey. And that is why I made this little quantity to just use for my face and my neck. So in case you want to apply all over your body, you want to include your hand to make it look beautiful, soft, smooth, and supple. You want to apply on your feet as well to moisturize, treat it to make it look younger. Just increase the quantity of these ingredients. Double all the ingredients so that it can be much to spread all over your body. Alright, so measure it rightly. This is very important. Then you have to mix until it's very smooth, not watery and not so thick. If your remedy is watery, please increase the quantity of the powder ingredients to thicken it a little. If your treatment is thick, you have to increase the aloe vera gel or add more honey into it. So after doing this, you have to remove all makeups so that you apply it, so that this treatment will be able to penetrate well and work better. If you don't have makeup on your skin, still cleanse your skin thoroughly so that this treatment will be able to penetrate and work better. So I'm going to just apply it right now. My face is clean so that you see how it's done for effective results. So apply it all over your face, your neck, all over your body. I have a very good skincare product. I have skin firming treatment. I have a very good treatment if you want to brighten your skin, you want to lighten, you want to maintain your skin, you want your skin to rejuvenate, you want your skin to look younger. Just contact through that WhatsApp. You can see those products, very natural. There's no side effect. You want your skin to look plump and younger. Think of our products, very natural. This particular one is very good. Like I said earlier, I don't joke with it, even if I apply good skincare product on my skin. And that is because I need it to take care of the foundation before other skincare products will penetrate and work better. So apply this all over your face. If you don't have a brush, you can use your hand to apply it. So just go around under your eye as well. If you have acne, dark spots, just apply. Okay. So after applying this treatment on your skin, leave it on for 15-20 minutes if you want. The more you leave it on, the more you see the result. Like, it will penetrate more and work better. So as it dries, you notice the firming effect, and that is to show you that this remedy is working. Okay, so I'm going to leave it for some time. At the right time, wash it out. I'll be right back. So after applying this wonderful treatment on your skin, you will see that your skin will look clearer, and that is because of the exfoliant sugar, and your skin will look glowing instantly. So what you do not pat dry. You just have to apply a moisturizer, a very light moisturizer. We have very good facial products like light oils like facial glow oil. We have vitamin C serum and vitamin C oil, very good one. These are special ones, were produced purely natural. We plump your skin, we make your skin supple, your face will look plump, smoothing out wrinkles and fine lines. So after making use of this, if you don't have a very good skincare product, apply sunflower oil or rosehip oil, or you can just apply argan oil. These are very good oils. Also vitamin E oil, they are very penetrating and also make you look younger, inexpensive. All right, so just apply this treatment. Make sure you use it 3 times weekly or twice weekly. If you have deep wrinkle, like if your wrinkle is pronounced, please use this treatment 3 times weekly. Use it and keep it on for the right time. Wash it out and be consistent. You will surely notice a great improvement. Of course, your skin will look very moisturized, your skin will not be dried out, your skin will glow, no more dull skin, and you look younger. So go on and try it. Okay, get the ingredients and make it yourself. Yes, make it yourself. come and thank me later. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share this video, and also like this video. I'll see you in my next video.